Hi, WREN members. This video is to go over your profile and also your contact preferences. From the WREN homepage, click on the area right here next to my directory, my profile. Go ahead and click on my profile. It'll take you to your personal profile page where you can update your status, your profile picture, and your preferences. Up in this top menu, click on My Profile, then click on Change Profile Picture. When you click there, you will have the ability to upload a photo from your computer. Just click on the photo where there's an empty photo. It'll take you to a new page where you can click on Upload a Photo, select the photo that you want to be included, and go ahead and remember to click on Save. If your photo doesn't show up right away, you may have to log out and log in, or you may have to hit refresh on the page. Next up, you can look at your contact preferences. This is where you can actually select how you're notified for what information. We recommend in this area that you turn everything on so you'll be notified when there's newsletters, connection and messages notifications, when someone's written on your wall, if there's emails from circles. We recommend having all of this information turned on. That again is under My Profile Contact Preferences. If you click back again on My Profile, you'll be taken to your profile where you can share your status, and you also have the ability to change some of the same information that you can set up here, change here in the menu. You can also change here underneath My Status. You want to head on down to the bottom and go ahead and click on Edit so you can edit your personal information. Ensure to include your full name, your contact name, your organization, your email, if you want to include your phone number and address. And then down here, any chapter that you're involved in, you want to select that information if you're a chapter lead, if you're a member, and any other information, what inspires you, if you have a short bio, any of your big dreams. You want to share that information. When you've updated it, go ahead and click on Save, and that will save your information. This will allow you to share with the community who you are and what your interests are, and will allow people to search on you to find you in the community.